Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and set up Jenkins on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can install Jenkins. So first of all, we are going to just open our favorite browser and search for Jenkins. And the first link which will appear here will be from jenkins.io. So I'm going to click on this link. And here you can see this download section. So I'm going to click on this download tab here, and then you will be able to see how you can install Jenkins in various different operating systems and in various different environments. Right now this is the LTS version, and you also have the latest Jenkins version. So here I can see this Mac OS option here. So I'm going to click on this Mac OS option, and on this web page you can see you can use these commands to install Jenkins. That means you need to have brew to install Jenkins on your Mac operating system. In addition, you also need to have Java installed on your Mac operating system in order to use Jenkins. So if you don't know how to install Brew or Java, I will put the link of those videos where I have shown you how to install Brew and how to install Java on your Mac operating system. So you can click on those links and see how those requirements can be installed on our Mac operating system in detail. Once you have Brew and Java installed, you can use this command, which is brew install jenkins-lts. So just open the terminal by just clicking on the spotlight option and then search for terminal and then open the terminal. And the first command which we will give here will be this one, which is brew install jenkins-lts. Just press enter and it's going to start the installation of Jenkins. At this point, wait for a few seconds. Once Jenkins LTS is installed, you will see this note which says when using launchctl, the port will be this one. And then to start Jenkins LTS, you can use this command, which is brew service start Jenkins-lts. On the documentation page also, you can see start the Jenkins service by using this command. So we are going to give this command into the terminal, which is brew service start Jenkins-lts. This is going to start the Jenkins service on your Mac operating system. That means it's going to start the Jenkins, and then you can later stop this service also once you are done. So let me give this command. Let me clear the terminal first of all, and then I'm going to give this command, which is brew service space start space Jenkins LTS. Let me press enter here, and you can see successfully started Jenkins -lts. Now once Jenkins starts, as I mentioned, it starts on port 8080. So when you go to your browser and here just write localhost colon 8080 and then press enter, it's going to give you this kind of output. Now here you will see this kind of window which says unlock Jenkins, and the initial password for Jenkins is saved here. Okay, so we are going to just copy this path from here. So just select this and copy this path, and then I'm going to just write cat and then paste this path which we have copied, right? So this is the path I have copied. So just write cat and the path and then press enter. Is going to give you this kind of password. Okay, so this initial password you need to provide in order to just log into your Jenkins server. So I'm going to copy this password from here, Command C, and then just paste this administrator password here and then click on continue, which is going to redirect me to the next page. Here it says getting started, customize Jenkins. So I'm going to choose this option which says install suggested plugins, which is going to start the installation of all the suggested plugins for Jenkins. So it comes with plugins like GitHub, Pipeline, Timestamper, LDAP, and all the supported plugins here, right? So just wait for a few seconds until all these plugins are installed for Jenkins. And once all those suggested plugins are installed, you will be redirected to this page where which says create first admin user. So we are going to give a username here which we want to use. Let's say Codebind, and then we can give some password here and press save and continue. You can also create this admin account or all the other type of accounts later also. So for now, I'm going to just click on skip and continue as admin. And this is the instance configuration. So on this URL, Jenkins is going to start, which is already open, which is localhost colon 8080. I'm going to click on save and finish, and it says Jenkins is ready. And now I can click on start using Jenkins here, and now I can see this kind of web page. So this is the main web page of Jenkins. From here you can create a new job. You can also create agents, and then you can also configure a cloud, or other settings are also available here. You will see the build information of your jobs on the left hand side. You can also see the users here. You can add users or delete users from here. You can also see the build history here, and then manage your Jenkins using the manage Jenkins option, and then also you have the my view option. You can see the admin section here, so you can click on configuration where you can add your tokens here and all the other credentials here. And once you are done, you can also log out of your Jenkins. Now we have started the Jenkins using the brew command. You can also restart this service by using brew service restart Jenkins LTS. You can also stop this service by stop the Jenkins service by giving Jenkins service instead of restart or start, just write stop, which is going to stop this service. This means that whenever you will log into your Mac operating system once again, you will need to restart or start the Jenkins service in order to use it. Okay. If you want to upgrade, then this is the command for that. So this is how you can install and set up Jenkins on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.